Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tik. So today I will show you how to add emojis in your TikTok videos. And this trick almost works for all Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about your device. And nowadays, these TikTok users are increasing rapidly in all over the world. And also this TikTok team released some new features. But in few days back, they launched the new update is called as Emojis. So if you like to add these emojis in your TikTok video, so just follow my steps. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my TikTok application via my new Android mobile and then complete your login or sign up processes. So finally my newsfeed is ready to use. So I try to record my video by press that plus icon and the middle icon, and then my mobile camera is automatically turned on. So here I try to long press that red color video icon to start the recording. So once you feel I recorded all the contents, so at that time just release that video icon to stop the recording, and then press that arrow icon for go to the next level. So here you can see, so it shows preview of my recording. So next, so how to add emojis to this video. So in bottom it shows 4 icons, but you can press sticker icon and the final one, and then it shows 2 columns, and the first one is sticker and another one is emojis. So here I try to select emojis. So and then it shows lots of emojis. So for more emojis, just scroll down this page. So here I try to select one emoji. So for moving this emoji, just place your finger on this emoji and then move it. Also you can crop this emoji by tap on this emoji and then press cropping tool. But if you want to add this emoji in particular time, so just press that clock icon and it is placed on this emoji sticker. So here my video duration is totally 21.9 seconds. But here I try to enable this emoji for 10 seconds. So here you can adjust these levels from 0 seconds to 10 seconds. So once your duration is set to correctly, so just press the tick icon and then you can see, so it shows my preview. So finally my emoji is successfully placed at the particular time intervals. So same way you can add more emojis. But due to the time consumption, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily add your favorite emojis in your TikTok videos. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tik, and thanks for watching.